Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to rename your wallet in Green Crypto Wallet application. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Green Crypto Wallet application on your device and log in using your credentials. After logging in, you will be on the home screen of the wallet. Go to the settings icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Here you can see rename option. Click on it. Now delete the old name for your wallet and type in the new name. And click on submit button. As you can see that your wallet has been renamed. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.